Look at that. This right here is an iPhone, and this right here is a UHF radio. Look at the size difference. It's hard to believe that a unit this small can be just as powerful as a unit 3 times its size. Let me show you how. The beauty of the UHF310 is that it can be installed anywhere in your cab. Perfect for new 4-wheel drives with little room on the dash. We're talking 5 watts of power here, so of course, if you combine that with a quality Oricom antenna, you'll be communicating over kilometres of distance. And just check out how clear this speaker is. Get a copy there, mate?
Call you, mate. Can you hear me from this far back?
Yeah, gotcha, loud and clear. It's not just compact and not just powerful. Oricom have thought of everything that a new 4-wheel drive owner thinks of when installing a UHF. The UHF310 has 7 backlit colour options for the display, so you can match it to the dash lights of your 4-wheel drive. And look at this, mount it either way and the display will flip the right way for you to read it. How good is that? Powerful, crystal clear, and you only need this amount of space to install it. The UHF310 from Oricom could be the perfect compact UHF CB radio, the one you've been looking for. Check them out for yourself now at oricom.com.au.